I'm Eric Martel. I own a company that made the world's first tokenized real estate fund. And today we're going to be talking about this technology that's going to be the future of investing, security tokens. We're going to talk about what security tokens are, how they compare to other tokens like NFTs on the blockchain, why security tokens are the thing you should be watching right now, and how you buy them, how you sell them, and how to tell whether the token you're investing in is a safe one. So grab some popcorn, pull up a chair, and let's talk about what everyone is going to be using in the next few years. But before we go any further, make sure you like and subscribe because my goal is to teach you how to find the best investments before everyone else you know. So let's talk about security tokens. You've probably heard of all kinds of tokens on the blockchain like cryptocurrencies, NFTs, maybe utility tokens, and stablecoins. But security tokens are altogether different. Security tokens are also sometimes called equity tokens and are most closely comparable to buying shares of a company on the stock market. With a security token, you're buying the ownership rights or asset value of a real thing, except on the blockchain. These security tokens are stored in your digital wallet and live on the blockchain just like your other digital tokens. These tokens are considered securities because there is an investment of money, expectation of profit, and the money is pooled in a common enterprise. And the profits come from the efforts of the promoter. And for this reason, the SEC is paying close attention to these security tokens and trying to make it safer for people to invest. Why you should be paying attention? Well, despite the sentiment among retail investors and consumers, corporations are very much steering new ventures towards the blockchain, and security tokens are their focus. The biggest companies right now are trying to put together their own platforms for trading security tokens. If this is not getting you excited, you need to check your pulse. So what does this mean? Well, initially it could mean that they're going to use this platform to trade security tokens. But if you think a little bit more in the future, you can certainly imagine that the New York Stock Exchange might be preparing itself for moving the entire stock exchange on the blockchain. This is public knowledge, but not widely known. Here's why you should be paying attention. First, time of execution. Current stock exchanges still requires 2 days or more to clear transactions. With the blockchain, this would only take minutes for the same transaction. Many real-world assets are not readily available on current exchanges, like real estate. As a security token, these assets could be traded on open exchanges, improving commerciability and liquidity. What does that mean? It means you could be buying pieces of a house or portfolios of houses in Miami, Florida or Miami, Ohio, and currently selling them to anyone in the world. The main reason this is going to be so cash rich is that it opens up capital to global markets. If you live in Sri Lanka, Indonesia, or Iran, it is incredibly difficult to coordinate and go through the red tape of buying homes in the United States. All that capital can be moved freely like never before. Trading is 24/7 and borderless. The only financial comparison to the potential open market growth is the invention of the internet. Seriously. And the greatest thing about it is something called fractionalization. Fractionalization is breaking down an asset like a company or real estate into smaller pieces, almost like shares of a company. It's the ability for anyone with a house or a business to fund and sell capital in their asset as if they were on the stock market. How do you buy these security tokens? You may have heard of OpenSea, which is an open exchange for NFTs. These NFTs are tokens for gaming, digital arts, and many other things. When we're talking about security tokens, though, you need an exchange that specializes in security tokens. What you need is the OpenSea equivalent, but for security tokens. The biggest players right now are T0, Open Finance Network, and Uniswap. These open exchanges are similar to stock exchanges like New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ, and you can hop on right now and see the prices go up and down. If you are a little nerdy like me, it's pretty cool. All you have to do is register with the trading platform. You add your bank account and your digital wallet and you're ready to go. Then you are presented with a list of security tokens. If you scroll through, you can see it's very similar to how companies are listed on a stock market. Here's an example. You can buy Overstock security tokens on the T0 platform. Overstock is a major online furniture retailer based in Salt Lake City. And just like it would on the normal stock market, the company's price has gone up and down. And the price of the token has risen and fallen alongside it. And hit its peak in September of 2021 at $72.26 per token, which put Overstock's market capitalization at $3.26 billion. How do you find the best security tokens to invest in? You have to think of it like an investment. You're buying shares of this company. Is the company making money? How are they using the money raised from the security token? How is my money secured? Are there any real assets associated backing the tokens? How will my money be returned? Do I get dividend, appreciation? Look at the company's disclosure. Check their websites. Is this the kind of business you want to be in? And make sure it's aligned with your goals. Security tokens are the future of investing. It is worth your time to study it and learn more about this new technology. Good luck, and make sure you like and subscribe, and happy hunting!